It's 1:43 a.m. You said you'd fix your life today. Instead, you watched videos, scrolled, maybe told yourself tomorrow. Now imagine this. You disappear for 30 days. No noise, no distractions, no fake productivity. And when you come back, you're unrecognizable. Not lucky, not motivated, rebuilt. So the real question is, what happens if you actually go ghost? Most people think ghost mode means cutting people off or acting mysterious. That's not it. Ghost mode is when you temporarily disappear from everything that's keeping you average. The constant scrolling, the group chats that drain you, the "I'll start tomorrow" loop. You don't disappear forever, you disappear to rebuild. Because right now, let's be honest, you don't need more motivation. You need distance from what's destroying your focus. And here's the scary part. You already know what those things are. The first 7 days feel weird, almost uncomfortable, because suddenly, it's quiet. No endless scrolling, no checking your phone every 5 minutes, no dopamine overload. Here's what you do. You delete or limit the apps that waste your time. Not forever, just 30 days. You stop posting, stop seeking validation. You go invisible. And yeah, at first, your brain will fight back. You'll feel bored, restless, like something is missing. That's not boredom, that's withdrawal. Your brain has been trained to chase easy dopamine. Now you're breaking that pattern. And this is where most people fail. They quit in 3 days because it feels uncomfortable. But if you push past this phase, something interesting happens. You start thinking again. Now that the noise is gone, you're left with something powerful, your thoughts. This is where the real rebuild starts. Because most people don't fail from lack of effort. They fail because their mind is chaotic. So here's what you do. Every day, you pick one focus block. Just one. 1 hour. No distractions, phone away, no multitasking. Maybe it's studying, maybe it's learning a skill, maybe it's working on your content. Doesn't matter. What matters is this: you're training your brain to lock in again. At first, it'll feel hard. Your mind will wander. You'll want to quit. But day by day, you get sharper, more focused, more in control. And then you realize something crazy. You're doing more in 1 hour than you used to do in an entire day. Now comes the part most people skip. Systems. Because motivation fades, but systems don't. This is where you create a simple daily structure. Wake up at the same time. Do your focus block. Move your body. Sleep properly. Nothing extreme, nothing fancy, just repeatable. Think about it like this. Your life right now is random. That's why your results are random. Ghost mode turns chaos into structure. And here's the shift. You stop asking, "Do I feel like doing this?" And start asking, "Is this part of my system?" That one change, it separates average from unstoppable. This is where it all clicks. You're not forcing discipline anymore. It becomes your default. Your screen time is lower. Your focus is stronger. Your confidence is real, not fake motivation. And the best part? People start noticing. They might ask, "Where have you been?" And you'll just smile. Because they don't see the work. They only see the result. Here's the truth no one tells you. You don't need a new year. You don't need a perfect plan. You need 30 days of focus. 30 days where you stop being available to distractions and start being available to your future. So try this. Not next week, not tomorrow, tonight. Go ghost. Even if it's just for 24 hours, start small. Because the version of you you're chasing, they're not on social media. They're not procrastinating. They're working quietly. So disappear for a while, and when you come back different.